This video will help you to display bar charts from data. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. You will need a QR code reader and an internet connection. From the home screen, choose the Statistics app and then one variable. Let us start with single variable data, such as that here in the bottom middle of the screen. Enter your data as a frequency table, which I have already done. If you are unsure how to do this, please see our video on how to calculate one variable statistics. With your frequency table displayed, press the QR key, which is Shift X, and scan the QR code, then go to the link. The link takes you to ClassPad.net, which will display a bar chart and a box plot as shown here on the far right. If you click on a bar, the frequency is shown. Let's now look at a regression or two variable data such as this here on the bottom right. Enter your data, which I have already done. If you are unsure how to do this, please see our video on how to calculate linear regression statistics. With your data displayed, press the QR key as before, Shift X, and the link to ClassPad.net will display a regression line which is linear by default. To return to the data table on your calculator, press the back key. You can explore your data further using the functionality in ClassPad.net. I hope that this will enable you to visualize the charts for the data that you analyze on your ClassWiz calculator.